Have you ever wondered how spinach, a staple in many of our diets, is farmed? This leafy green powerhouse isn't just Popeye's favorite snack. It's a nutritional force to be reckoned with, gracing our tables in everything from salads and stir-fries to smoothies and soups. And while it might seem like a daunting crop to cultivate, fear not. Spinach farming is a process that, once demystified, is really quite straightforward. Imagine this: a lush field of spinach, each leaf bursting with vitamins and minerals, all thanks to the farmer's careful attention and hard work. But how does this transformation from tiny seed to robust plant occur? What are the steps involved in ensuring a successful harvest? How does one navigate the challenges that come with growing this versatile vegetable? These are the questions we'll be exploring together. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey into the fascinating world of spinach farming. Are you ready to dive into the world of spinach farming? The first step in spinach farming begins with the soil. The foundation of any successful garden lies in its soil, and spinach is no exception. It thrives in well-drained, fertile soil. So the first thing you need to do is to prepare the soil by ensuring it drains well. You can achieve this by incorporating organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure into it. Next, let's talk about pH levels. Spinach prefers a slightly acidic to neutral pH, somewhere between 6 and 7. You can easily test your soil's pH using a home testing kit, and adjust accordingly using lime or sulfur. Adding organic matter is crucial. It not only improves the soil texture, making it easier for the spinach roots to penetrate, but also feeds the soil with essential nutrients. This, in turn, will feed your spinach plants, helping them grow strong and healthy. Remember, spinach is a cool weather crop. Therefore, prepare your soil when temperatures are still cool. Once the soil is prepared, it's time to plant the spinach seeds. With the soil ready, the next step is planting the spinach seeds. To start, make a shallow trench about ½ inch deep in your prepared soil. Drop the seeds into the trench, spacing them roughly 2 to 3 inches apart. This distance ensures each plant has adequate room to grow and flourish. After you've sown your seeds, gently cover them with soil and give them a generous dose of water. Watering is crucial for spinach, as it's a plant that thrives on moisture. However, remember that there's a fine line between enough and too much. Overwatering can lead to diseases, so aim for a consistently moist, but not waterlogged soil. Pests and diseases can be a challenge, but vigilance and good management can keep these issues at bay. Use organic pesticides and keep an eye out for common spinach pests, like aphids and leaf miners. After planting and managing the seeds, it's time to wait for the spinach to grow. After a few weeks, your spinach should be ready to harvest. But how do you know when it's the prime time to pick those leafy greens? Well, spinach is usually ready to harvest 6 to 8 weeks after planting. The leaves should be tender and vibrant in color. To harvest, simply cut the leaves at the base, leaving the crown intact. This will promote regrowth, allowing for multiple harvests throughout the season. Now let's talk about storage. Freshly harvested spinach can be kept in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 weeks. To extend its shelf life, make sure to wash and thoroughly dry the leaves before storing them in a sealed plastic bag. You can also blanch and freeze spinach for up to 12 months. Remember, the key is to keep it cold and dry to prevent wilting and spoilage. And there you have it, your spinach is ready to be enjoyed in your favorite dishes. Spinach farming might seem like a lot of work, but it's actually quite simple. Let's take a moment to look back at the journey we've been on together. We started with the importance of soil preparation, a crucial step in creating a fertile, welcoming home for your spinach seeds. Then, we delved into the art of planting and managing these seeds, nurturing them into thriving spinach plants. Next, we explored pest management. Remember, a healthy spinach field is a pest-free one. We also discussed the joyous phase of harvesting, where you reap the fruits of your labor, or in this case, the leafy greens. Finally, we spoke about proper storage techniques to ensure the freshness and nutritional value of your spinach is preserved long after harvest. Each step is a vital chapter in the story of spinach farming, a testament to the care and dedication that goes into each leaf. So, the next time you enjoy a dish with spinach, remember the journey it took from the farm to your plate. Thank you for joining us on this spinach farming adventure.